In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a hyperlink from text. If you've ever wanted someone to click a word or phrase and jump straight to a website, this is exactly how to do it. A hyperlink connects your text to a web address, and it's useful for articles, reports, emails, anywhere you want to guide your reader to more information. Start by selecting the text you want to turn into a link. This could be something like click here, visit website, or the name of the destination itself. When you highlight the text, make sure you've got exactly what you want, no extra spaces before or after, and consider using descriptive words. Clear link text helps readers understand where they're going and is better for accessibility. With your text highlighted, right-click directly on the selection. This brings up a context menu. If you don't see the menu right away, try right-clicking again on the highlighted portion itself rather than the surrounding area. In that menu, choose the option labeled Link or Hyperlink. Different programs use slightly different wording, but you're looking for the one that opens the link settings window. A dialog box will appear. In most apps, you'll see a field for text to display and another field labeled Address, usually near the bottom. The text to display should already show what you highlighted. Focus on the address field. That's where the website goes. If you don't immediately see address, glance toward the lower portion of the window or look for a field called URL or web address. The idea is the same. Now type or paste the full website URL into the address box. The safest approach is to copy it directly from your browser and paste it in so you don't mistype anything. Make sure the link includes the beginning part, like https, since many tools rely on that to recognize it as a valid web link. Also, double-check for any stray spaces at the beginning or end, which can break the link. If the URL is long, that's okay. Only the highlighted text will show in your document. Once the address is in place, click OK to confirm. Your selected text should now look like a hyperlink, often underlined and in a different color. Hovering your mouse over it will typically show the destination address, which is a quick way to verify that everything is set correctly. That's it. You've created a clean, professional link from text, ready for your readers to follow.